Hey, Cobi Quiz crew. Welcome to the weirdest animal challenge yet. How good is your knowledge of weird animal facts? Let's find out if you can answer 50 strange trivia questions. Grab your brain power. We're diving into the wildest trivia jungle. You'll get 50 questions, 2 choices each, and a fun fact after every answer. Ready? Alright, Cobi Quiz champs. Let's dive in. Here we go. Last one. Which animal can regrow its entire body from a single piece? It's the starfish. Starfish can regenerate their entire body from just a small fragment. Isn't that wild? Almost there. Which animal shoots blood from its eyes to defend itself? It's the horned lizard. It can squirt blood from its eyes to scare predators. Nature is so weird. You're on fire. Which animal has a tongue longer than its body? It's the chameleon. Its tongue can be up to twice its body length to catch prey. That's incredible. This one's wild. Which animal can live without its head for days? It's the cockroach. Cockroaches can survive for days without a head because they breathe through their body. Let's see if you know. Which animal has teeth on its tongue? It's the snail. Snails have a toothed tongue called a radula to scrape food. Who knew? You're doing great. Which animal can change sex during its lifetime? It's the clownfish. Clownfish can change from male to female to maintain their social structure. So cool. This one's strange. Which animal has 3 hearts and can squirt ink? It's the octopus. Octopuses have 3 hearts and use ink to escape predators. That's amazing. You got this. Which animal can survive being frozen solid? It's the wood frog. Wood frogs can freeze in winter and thaw out in spring thanks to natural antifreeze. Wow. Let's get freaky. Which animal has the most powerful punch in the ocean? It's the mantis shrimp. Its punch is so fast it can break glass and boil water around it. Unreal. Next up, which animal can sleep for 3 years without waking? It's the desert snail. Desert snails can hibernate for up to 3 years to survive harsh conditions. Crazy. You're on a roll. Which animal can shoot its stomach out to eat? It's the sea cucumber. It can eject its stomach to digest food outside its body. That's so bizarre. This one's wild. Which animal has a beak like a bird but lays eggs like a reptile? It's the platypus. This mammal lays eggs and has a duck-like bill. Nature's so strange. Let's see if you know. Which animal can survive in space-like conditions? It's the tardigrade. These tiny creatures can survive extreme conditions, even in space. Incredible. Next, which animal has a pouch but isn't a marsupial? It's the echidna. Echidnas are monotremes, not marsupials, but they have a pouch for their eggs. So weird. You're doing awesome. Which animal can smell rain from miles away? It's the elephant. Elephants can detect rain up to 150 miles away with their amazing sense of smell. Wow. Let's get weird. Which animal has a transparent body? It's the glass frog. You can see its organs through its skin. That's so freaky. You got this. Which animal can live without water for its entire life? It's the kangaroo rat. It gets all its water from the seeds it eats. That's incredible. This one's bizarre. Which animal has a nose that can glow in the dark? It's the reindeer. Their noses can glow under UV light to help them find food in the dark. So cool. Let's see if you know. Which animal can detach its limbs to escape predators? It's the octopus. Octopuses can detach their arms, which keep moving to distract predators. That's wild. Next up, which animal has the longest pregnancy in the animal kingdom? It's the frilled shark. Its pregnancy can last up to 3.5 years. That's a long wait. You're on fire. Which animal can scream as loud as a jet engine? It's the howler monkey. Their screams can reach 140 decibels. As loud as a jet engine. So noisy. Let's get freaky. Which animal has a stomach that can digest metal? It's the crocodile. Their stomach acid is so strong it can dissolve metal. That's insane. You're doing great. Which animal can change its skin texture to mimic its surroundings? It's the octopus. Octopuses can change both color and texture to blend in perfectly. So sneaky. This one's strange. Which animal has the most eyes? It's the scallop. Scallops can have up to 200 tiny eyes along their mantle. That's a lot of eyes. Let's keep going. Which animal can survive without a brain? It's the starfish. Starfish don't have a brain but can still move and eat. So weird. We're halfway through. How's your brain holding up? Cobi Quiz crew? Comment your score so far. I'd love to know. Let's keep diving into these weird animal facts. Halfway there. Which animal can hold its breath the longest? It's the sperm whale. They can hold their breath for up to 90 minutes while diving. Incredible. You got this. Which animal has a tongue that can weigh as much as an elephant? It's the blue whale. Their tongue can weigh up to 3 tons. As much as a small elephant. That's massive. This one's wild. Which animal can survive being boiled alive? It's the tardigrade. These tiny creatures can survive extreme heat. Even boiling water. So tough. Let's see if you know. Which animal has a jaw that can unhinge to eat large prey? It's the python. Pythons can unhinge their jaws to swallow prey whole, even if it's bigger than their head. Next, which animal can produce light to attract prey? It's the anglerfish. They use a glowing lure to attract prey in the deep ocean. So sneaky. You're doing awesome. Which animal has a tail that can grab objects like a hand? It's the spider monkey. Their prehensile tail acts like a fifth limb to grab things. That's so cool. Let's get creepy. Which animal can survive without oxygen for days? It's the tick. Ticks can survive without oxygen for days thanks to their slow metabolism. That's wild. This one's strange. Which animal has a neck longer than its body? It's the giraffe. Their neck can be up to 6 feet long. Longer than their body. That's incredible. You're on a roll. Which animal can eat its own body weight in one meal? It's the python. After a big meal, pythons can eat up to their own weight. That's a feast. Here's a fun one. Which animal has a heart in its head? It's the shrimp. Their heart is located in their head, near their brain. So strange. Let's see if you know. Which animal can survive a nuclear blast? It's the cockroach. Cockroaches can withstand radiation levels that would kill most animals. So tough. You got this. Which animal has a tongue that can shoot out like a harpoon? It's the cone snail. Their harpoon-like tongue can shoot out to catch prey with venom. That's deadly. This one's tricky. Which animal can live in both fresh and salt water? It's the bull shark. Bull sharks can adapt to both environments thanks to their unique kidneys. So cool. Let's get weird. Which animal has a stomach that can explode if it eats too much? It's the pufferfish. If they inflate too much, their stomach can burst. That's dangerous. Next up, which animal can mimic human speech? It's the parrot. Parrots can mimic human speech with incredible accuracy. That's so fun. You're doing great. Which animal has a skeleton on the outside of its body? It's the crab. Crabs have an exoskeleton that protects them like armor. That's so weird. This one's wild. Which animal can survive without food for a year? It's the crocodile. Crocodiles can go up to a year without eating by slowing their metabolism. That's wild. Let's see if you know. Which animal has a tongue that can smell? It's the snake. Snakes use their forked tongue to smell their surroundings. That's so cool. Here's a strange one. Which animal can change its gender based on temperature? It's the turtle. Some turtle species can change gender based on the temperature of their eggs. So weird. You got this. Which animal has a brain that can weigh more than a human brain? It's the sperm whale. Their brain can weigh up to 20 pounds. Much heavier than a human's. That's massive. Let's keep going. Which animal can survive without a heart? It's the jellyfish. Jellyfish don't have a heart but can still pump water to move. That's so strange. This one's creepy. Which animal can shoot venom from its fangs like a gun? It's the spitting cobra. They can shoot venom up to 6 feet to blind predators. That's scary. Here's a tricky one. Which animal has a tail that can regrow if it's cut off? It's the lizard. Lizards can regrow their tails as a defense mechanism. That's so cool. Next, which animal can survive in the deepest part of the ocean? It's the snailfish. They can live in the Mariana Trench, over 26,000 feet deep. That's incredible. First up, which animal has a mouth on its belly? It's the sea urchin. Their mouth is on their underside, surrounded by spines. What a weird way to eat. And that's a wrap. Cobi Quiz champs. How many weird animal facts did you get right? Drop your score in the comments, brag a little. You earned it. And tell me, which fact blew your mind the most? If you learned something new, smash that like button and subscribe to Cobi Quiz for more fun and educational challenges. Craving more trivia? Check out these quizzes next. Your brain's begging for it.